Got here a new platform truck from Stanley. Now you see here I'm holding it. It only weighs 11.2 kilos, so it's dead easy to manoeuvre about. But watch this. So I put this down on the deck. All I need to do is pull this handle and the whole thing comes to life. 4 wheels on there, nice rugged wheels for you. 2 back wheels are swivelling, so you can manoeuvre this about without any problems. The platform here is a large platform capable of carrying up to 200 kilos in weight, so you can get loads of stuff on here. Now, one neat feature about this is you can fold the whole thing down again really simply just by pulling underneath like that, and it's back down again. But if I show you this, up there, independently, you can put the handle down, so you've got a flatbed truck or platform without the handle. So that's the Stanley platform truck, a great little product available at Toolstop.